Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the lock screen sound on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So if you lock the screen on your iPhone, then you have this clicking sound. If you want to, you can actually disable that sound by going to Settings, then scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics, and then if you scroll down once again you will find lock sound over here. You can tap on this switcher in order to turn on or off this sound. So now if I turn this off and if I lock the screen, there is no sound. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!